Hi, so as you can see, I have updated my UE5. There was a video on YouTube, State of Unreal. If you have seen that, they have launched the UE5 officially, and they have new things in that, like a Lycra sample of Unreal 5, and they have Matrix samples, they have Fortnite samples, I think. So let's launch it and check that Lyra sample actually. So it was the first reaction how it is. Actually, it's opening my last project, so and it's crashed. I didn't expect it that, but it's okay. So let's relaunch again. I'll launch it again. Now it's launching Unreal. I can create my own separate project. Oh, it's crashing again. So there's a thing. I just updated the full version of UE5 and it's already crashing. So resend and reopen. I hope this will. Oh, I cannot check this. So let me just figure it out. Maybe. This is my CGHOW project, the project I work on daily, and this should not crash. Okay, so 6000 compiling shader. I'll have to pause this video or make it a little faster.